Hello, everyone. Welcome to Insure Tomorrow with Ken and Steph. My name is Ken, and we are really passionate in empowering responsible breadwinners with comprehensive health and life insurance, providing security so that they can confidently face life's uncertainty with peace of mind. Yan. So I hope you're one of those breadwinners out there who really desires to take control of your finances. First things first, thank you so much for visiting our website or landing page. We hope to really add value to you in a small or 20-minute video that I will be sharing to you this time. We believe that every breadwinner works hard and wants financial peace for himself or for his family. True naman, di ba? We work and somehow want to attain financial peace or financial freedom. That's what we want. But the reality is that may mga tinatawag na mga income stoppers, no? So, let me share to you some realities here. Did you know that 28,000 days, that's just the average lifespan of a person. That's actually 76 years, no? So, if we try to draw here, this is a pie graph. If we divide natin ito ng four quadrants, we have 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, and 60 to 80. Financially, 0 to 20, play muna tayo dito. Play and study. Financially, wala pa tayong mga obligations pa. Si mommy at si daddy pa yung nagbibigay ng mga finances natin. And then, we eventually graduate, 20 to 40, we have our first job, first car, and eventually, you get married. And then, you get your first house. And then, first baby, right? The kids are coming now. And then, 40 to 60, siguro on your second or third job ka na, maybe second car, second house, hopefully hindi second wife, no? And then at this point, yung kids natin, they are actually going through college na, no? So in terms of expenses, mabigat na din. And then eventually we get to 60. At this point, retire na. Wala nang income na pumapasok. So 60 to 80, wala nang income. At the same time, meron na tayong mga obligations din. So, if you try to look at it financially, yung 0 to 20 and 60 to 80, that's 14,000 days. So, that's actually half of our life. Financially, walang income na pumapasok dyan. In short, in the lifespan of a typical person like you and me, we just have 14,000 days. Now, yung question natin dito is, will depend on how young are you currently. So, say for example, like me, I'm 30 years old. So, I am already 10 years past yung 20 na benchmark, or I'm already half itong second quadrant na. And that leaves me with only, magkano ba? 30 years. 30 years to go, or if I may share it, that's the 30 years productive years na lang. With that in mind, crucial itong 30 years na ito. Dito na papasok yung responsibility natin. What will we do in this window? Normally, may tinatawag dyan na fears, yung mga what ifs natin. So I'm gonna share 5 with you guys. First fear is, what if an emergency occurs and you need to be admitted? What if you need to be admitted to the hospital, emergency, not just you, but maybe your spouse or your kid? You need money as well. So financially, problema din yan. Second, what if I cannot work to 60? So if ikaw yung breadwinner, what if may mangyari sa'yo like heart attack, stroke, cancer? Problema din yun. In most cases, here in the Philippines, if you're diagnosed with major illnesses, most likely, you will not be admitted to work na. No? So problema din yun financially. Ito din. Third, what if I don't reach 60? What if kunin tayo ni Lord early? What will happen to the family that we will leave behind? Financially, problema din yun. Right? I'm not yet done. Fourth, can I ensure that my children start life with the right foundation? We all know here in the Philippines na for them to really have a good standing in terms of job, employment, they need to really have a good education. And we know education also costs money. So we need to also prepare din for that. That's also a problem. And lastly, pag umabot tayo ng 60, wala na tayong income, how much is enough for me to retire? How much ba yung kailangan natin? So Ken, ang dami no? Actually, madami. So we have actually five, I call them BFF, no, five biggest financial fears. They're actually health insurance, critical illness insurance, life insurance, educational funding, and retirement. So these are some of the realities that we face as a breadwinner. And we know, ito yung reality din, that most breadwinner don't have millions when these events strike or happen, which causes stress and anxiety to them and their loved ones. So if we try to follow it, we want to have financial peace, pero yung reality is wala tayong millions. Yan yung problem natin. That's why here in Insure Tomorrow, that's our desire to somehow give you comprehensive coverage in the form of insurances so that you and your family will experience financial peace. Yeah, so me and Steph, we've been here in the industry for 8 years already. We are already serving 100 to 200 clients in service. Yeah, no? So meron na din kaming mga claims na na-deliver, and so far wala namang na-decline, and we're so glad in that promise as well. So we desire here that we can somehow partner with you in helping you achieve financial peace, because at the end of the day, our aim, I believe you will agree with me, yung aim talaga natin is to really have peace of mind. And peace of mind is translated with the right coverage, na if ever mangyari yon, meron tayong prepared na fund or budget. Ayan. So Ken, paano ba mag-start? So how do I navigate, yung mga coverage na sinasabi mo? So 3 steps lang. Number 1, you just give us a message, for example, quotation. So in our website, just click yung send us a quote. So just message us. And then second, we will send you a proposed quotation based on your preferred coverage that you want, and then we will discuss it for you. And para ma-discuss din natin yung mga needs and ma-adjust natin sa preference ng budget, at the same time, yung need mo. And then lastly, you get to decide and own and somehow insure yourself so that you will have experience financial peace today. So simple steps lang. Number 1, give us a message. Second, we send and discuss the quote. Thirdly, you own and insure tomorrow's peace of mind. Ayan, so simple 3 steps lang. So get a quote now, no? So just click yung get a quote button here in our website and schedule an appointment with us. So immediately, once you send a quote from us, we will reach out to you via email or via call. Now, ano ba yung value aside from peace of mind in having life and health insurance? Number 1, itong tinatawag na financial security. Of course, with a comprehensive insurance, you and your family are safeguarded against unexpected medical cost. We know here in the Philippines, it will really cost you millions. Ensuring that you maintain financial stability and avoiding debt. Of course, then peace of mind, knowing that you have coverage for life's uncertainties, it reduces stress and anxiety. So I'm just gonna share this as well. We have countless experiences na most clients, patients die not because of the sickness, but because of stress, anxiety. We have a client, or actually a friend of friend, na ngayon ko lang din nalaman na pag coma pala, yung brain pala daw is active pa. So I think na overhear daw na medyo malaki na yung utang. So would you believe it, namatay yung patient, no? So yan talaga yung challenge natin. That's why it's really urgent to really own a policy to have peace of mind. And of course, access to quality care. Insurance ensures that you have access to top-tier medical treatments and healthcare services. This means better health outcomes, quicker recovery times, and the ability to receive the best possible care when you need it most. So that's the true value of having life and health insurance. Now, what if wala kang insurance? So ito din yung real cost of having or living without insurance. I'll just mention two. Financial ruin. Without proper life insurance or health insurance, families face devastating financial hardships due to unexpected medical bills, loss of income, and funeral expenses. This can lead to death, loss of savings, and even bankruptcy. Basic lang to guys, no? If wala kang pera, saan ka kukuha ng pera? Mag-uutang ka. Uutang ka talaga. If meron kang property, you will sell it at a surplus or tama ba yun, surplus? Like you will sell it on a price na hindi market value. No? So we don't want that to happen. Years of savings, years of effort, hard work, it will just be lost in a month. Financial ruin. Yan yung cost. And secondly, emotional stress. Ito yung sinabi ko earlier. The uncertainty and worry about how to cover medical expenses or provide for loved ones in case of illness or death can lead to immense emotional stress. And sa atin mga breadwinners or parents, okay lang kung tayo. It pains us if ma-include yung family natin or yung kids or housewife natin or yung spouse natin, right? Affecting both the individual and their family's well-being. We don't want that to happen. So ito yung real cost of living without insurance. In short, get a quote now. Just see it guys. If this works for you, if hindi naman, libre lang naman ang quote. No, walang problema. No, so just see what we offer, or maybe this is gonna be your first time to experience having a code for yourself. Just get a code and then we will navigate it as we move forward. Ayan, so thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you will book an appointment with us or get a code so that we can discuss ensuring your tomorrow here with us. Thank you so much and God bless.